Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. I hope you are guys doing really well, and in this video we are going to talk about how you can create a form in ClickUp in 2025, and it will be a complete quick tutorial for you guys. So without any further ado, let's get it started. So here actually you can see we are already landed in our ClickUp platform. This is our ClickUp platform, and here you can see we have a couple of things. So if you want to create a form in ClickUp platform, this is so much easy. So you just need to be know about the process how you can do it, and this video we are going to talk about this. So here you just need to be click on this one and create an icon or create a space for you. So I will give my name, or I can create a form and then click to the continue. Once I click over here, then I will click to the create and space, and the space will be available here as you can see it. So from that place here you can see the to-do list already been come over here, but I just want to create a form. That for reason I will click over here to the view and then search for the form, and here you will find out the form. It is newly associated with this option. So here I will click over here to the form, and from that place here, so after to unlimited to get unlimited forms, so your current plan is limited to on form. So we already created an form over that place. So let's find that out where. Yes, in here let's have, you can see that in the theme space we already created an space, and under this MA space we are going to create our form. So we can create feedback from here, then we can create project intake, then order from, then also job application and IT request. So I just want to create a form from the script, so I will select this one, and this is the name, and here you can give a description if you feel to add. Let's add questions. So first of all we are going to add and short text or dates over that place. So I already added dates here, and then I will click to the create, and it will be created over here. You can see that our form has been added. So here if you want to add further more forms over that place, you just need to be go over here, click on add options, then here you can add single tags or information blocks, signature. Let's add to the signature, and then click to the signature, give a name signature, and then just click to this one, and here actually you can see that our signature form has been uploaded here. And so then you just need to be add another one. Just click this one, and from that place you can add short text. This will be the name, and then just click to the name, and here you can see that the name already been added. You can change things from that place. If you click over here the preview, and here you can see that the preview is really working. So I am giving my name and then click to the save, and the form already been created. So this is the way you can create your form. I hope you love this video. If you think this video was helpful, please then don't forget to subscribe our channel, and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day.